Hi my dear students, in the previous videos we discussed if I have the three vertices, that is A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3. If I have the three vertices, then the area of the triangle in terms of the determinants is given by the formula, that is half into, here it is x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 and next 1. So this is mod of, you can take it as mod of, half into mod of this value. It means I am taking here, but I don't write this mod, but you should understood that always we should take this area as positive. Clear? That we discussed. And also my students, I discussed that if I have the three vertices, here it is, if 3 points are collinear, if we have the 3 points and if these 3 points are collinear means what, my dear students? Collinear means if 3 points lies on the same line. So I'll take A, B, C. So if 3 points are collinear, it means collinear means what? Collinear means the 3 points lies on the same line. So in such a situation, we can call these 3 points are collinear. Now I'll say in this particular case, ABC are collinear. ABC are collinear because these points ABC lies on the same line. So therefore, please remember, if the 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle will be 0. So if I calculated the area of this, means that value you will get it as 0. So this is a very important concept, my dear students. Clear? And now I am going to discuss the question here. What is the question given to you? Question given to you here, find the equation of line joining, so joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. So it means, my students, you should find the equation of this line using determinants. In the earlier classes we discussed how to find the equation of the line by using 2 points. With that we discussed, but there they given to you, we should find by using the determinants. So for that reason, my students, I use the concept of this collinear. So what is here is, first of all I write here this. Let us take, let A of, here it is, A of x1 comma y1 is equals to 1, 2 and P of x2, P I will take it as x2 y2 is equals to 3, 6. So I am considering, let A of x1 comma y1, I am considering the 2 points, I am naming it as x1 y1 and this I am taking it as x2 y2. So and my dear students, let us take this A of x1 comma y1 is equals to 1, 2 and B of x2 comma y2 is equals to 3, 6 and here it is P of x comma y lies on AB. So if we join the AB, so P of x comma lies on the, let us take this P of x comma on the line where AB, this point and this point lies. Just I am writing. So to understand this concept, let us take one point A of, I will take here this 1, 2. This is the one point A, I am taking 1, 2 and another one point is somewhere here it is 3, 6. Clear? So if I have the 3 points, A and B are the 3 points, then my dear students, I should find the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. So these are the 2 points I am considering, A of 1, 2 and B of 3, 6. Now I will take the one point P of x comma y on this line. So my dear students, I know that, so to find the equation of the line, here it is, to find the equation of the line, so any point if I consider that point should satisfy the equation of line. For that reason, I am taking here these 2 points A and B and I will take another one point which lies here it is on this, joining on this line. So where AB is joining, on that joining line I am taking one point, that I am taking it as P of x comma y. Now you can observe here this what this A P B. So A P B lies on the same line. Since APB lies on the same line, so it means what it indicates? If 3 points lies on the same line, then that we can call it as the collinear. Here also APB lies on the same line, so therefore we can say here is these 3 points are collinear. Clear? And I discussed, my dear students, if these 3 points are collinear, then we know that if I calculate this area, the area of APB, if I calculate it, means that value must be equals to 0, because here no any triangle will frame here it is. So in the last class only I told you that if 3 points are collinear, then area of this triangle is equals to 0. That we know. So that concept I am using here is. So for that reason I am taking here, my dear students. Let us take a of x1 comma, this is the one point, this is the another one point given to you. So a of 1 comma 2, b of 3 comma 6. Next I am taking one point, p of x comma, any point I am taking, generally I am naming it as p of x comma y. So if I take p of x comma y on the line, then we can conclude here is these 3 points are collinear. So since these 3 points are collinear, we can say that the area of the triangle is equals to 0. So therefore I am writing here this, let a of x1 comma y is equals to 1 comma 2 and b of x2 comma y2 is equals to 3 comma 6 and p of x comma y any point I am considering on the line AB. Clear? And now, my dear students, this implies, so what it indicates? It indicates that A, B, these are the 2 points on the line, and P of x comma y, I am taking P of x comma y lies on AB. So I am taking here this P of x comma y on the line where AB joins. It means that these 3 points are collinear. So this implies, so what it implies? This implies A, P and B are collinear. So since A, P, B are collinear, so it implies that. So we know that if 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle, these 3 points will be equals to 0. So this implies here it is area of triangle is equals to, here it is half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So the area of the triangle will be equals to 0. Clear? So my dear students, this implies that area of the triangle. So this here area of the triangle, this determinant value is equals to 0. I can write. Clear? So therefore, this implies half. This is the half. If I shift this side, means what will indicate here is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 is equals to 0. Half into, if you want, you can write. I write half here it is. So this half, this 2, if I shift that side, means that will goes to the numerator. So 2 into 0 is equals to 0. So therefore I am erasing this one. So therefore, if any 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle, that is this condition holds. What is this here? It is determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 is equals to 0. This is the condition only when these 3 points are, if the given 3 points are collinear, then we can write this condition. So this determinant value is equals to 0. Now by using this condition, I will find out the area of the triangle. Here it is. I will find out the equation of the line. So if you solve this one, you will get the equation of the line joining those 2 points. So now substitute here it is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So x1, y1 value is 1, 2, x2, y2 value is 3, 6, and xy. Here it is x3, y3. I am taking it as x and y simply because we don't know the value of that. Clear? So my dear students, whenever they ask you to find the equation of the line, if they ask you to find the equation of the line, directly go through this condition, that is determinant of this is equals to 0. To understand you clearly, so for that reason I written like this condition I wrote. So simply you can write here it is, since 3 points are collinear, means this determinant value is equals to 0. So now this implies here, what is that condition? Here it is x1. So what is x1? 1, x2, 3, and this x, simply x I am taking here it is. Clear? And now next 2, 6, 2, 2x, y1, y2, 6, and y. And 1, 1, 1. This is equals to 0. Now further we know how to find out the normal regular method. We know how to find the determinant value. So first we should change the sign, plus minus plus. So now simplify this one, my dear students. You will get here it is plus 1 into, here it is, leave this row and this column. So 6 y into 1 is minus y, and next minus 2 into this row and this column, 3 into 1 3 minus x, and next plus 1 into, leave this row and this column, 3 into y is 3y minus of 6x is equals to 0. Clear? And further simplify this. So you will get 1 into 6 minus y is 6 minus y. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 2 3 is 6 minus minus plus 2x plus 1 into anything is multiplication, whatever I am multiplying, that value only itself you will get 3y minus 6x equals to 0. Now further simplify this, my dear students. So here it is minus 6x plus 2x. It means minus 4x. And next 3y plus 3y minus y plus 2y plus 6 minus 6 got cancels, and this is equals to 0. Clear? And now you can take 2 common from this. So if you take 2 common, minus 2 is remaining, 2x plus 2 is already I'm taking common, only y is remaining. So this is equals to 0. And this implies if you shift this 2 to this side, that will go to the denominator. So 0 by 2 is 0. So what is remaining? Only minus 2x plus y is equals to 0 you will get. And now this is minus 2x is there. So shift this minus 2x to that side. So this will become y is equals to 2x. So this is what your required equation of the line if these 3 points are given to you. So my dear students, after completing the question, if you have doubts whether to verify whether the answer you got correct or not, to verify this, what you should do, the given points you should substitute in this x as a x and y. If this equation satisfies, then you can conclude that this whatever you calculated, this is the equation of the line. So if you substitute, means this is for the verification purpose I am telling to you. So what is verification? Here it is, my dear students, for the verification, whatever answer you will get, in that you should substitute x, the given points 1, 2. So here it is y is equals to 2x. What is the y value? Here it is 2. 2 into x value is 1. So here it is 2 is equals to 2 into 1 is 2. It means LHS is equals to RHS. So therefore the given point after substituting in this equation, that's right. And next another one point, check this one. So y is equals to 2x. What is the y value? 6 is equals to 2 into x value is 3. So therefore 6 here 2 3 is 6. Here also LHS is equals to RHS. So therefore whatever I calculated the answer, this is right. Just like this you can verify. So if it is understood, then okay. Otherwise don't worry, because this is just for your understanding purpose. I mean just for the verification I told you. Clear? So like this you should solve. So my dear students, please remember, only the concept in this type of questions is find the equation of line joining 2 points. If they given to 2 points, and if they ask you to find the equation of the line, the only condition is that you should take the points, 2 points you should consider, a of x1 y1 and b of x2 y2. After considering this, you should take another one general point, p of x comma y, which lies on the line which lies on AB. So AB means the line joining AB here it is. So after considering these 3 points, you can say that here it is, if this A and B are the 2 points, in that if I consider the p of x comma y on the same line, means these 3 points are collinear. And we know that if 3 points are collinear, so we know that if 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle is equals to 0. So the area of the triangle, what is the area of the triangle? The area of the triangle is this much, half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this entire value is, if you calculate it, means that value is equals to 0. This is the known result. Therefore I am writing this determinant is equals to 0. This determinant value is equals to 0. I am writing directly because the 3 points are collinear. If 3 points are collinear, so what is the meaning? 3 points are collinear means these 3 A, P, B lies on the same line. Any points, if they are lying on the same line, means there is no question of the triangle. So therefore the area of the triangle will be 0. By taking that concept, since A, P, B are collinear, then we know that area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? We know that area of the triangle is nothing but this value. So this value is equals to 0 by using this concept. So this value is equals to 0 means half if I shift to this side, means that is goes to the 0. It means 2 into 0. 2 goes to the numerator of the RHS. So 0 into 2 is equal to 0. So therefore this half is, if this half comes, this RHS part means that will 0 and remaining is this much. So in this just substitute the values and calculate. So that is your required equation of the line where the given points given joining the line. That is the equation of the line. These 2 points joining here. Clear? So this type of questions is very important. Please try to solve this, my dear students. Clear? And now I move to the same type of question. And this question was asked in March 2014. This question was asked. Clear? So P of x comma lies on AB, you can write. Clear? So next question I am going to discuss, my dear students. You can write like this, or P of x comma y be any point on AB. Like this also you can write, and then further we can simplify. Clear? So those from Kannada medium students, I explain once in short. In brief, I am going to explain. So let find the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. So ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? A ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು 1, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P of 3, 6 ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವೆರಡೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಲೈನ್ ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಲೈನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ, P of x, y ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ APB ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವು. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈ 3 points lies on the same line, then that we can call it as the 3 points are collinear. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇವೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹೌದು, ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ರ ಈ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್, ದೆನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Clear? I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubts, you can comment me. I will reply for that. So similar type of question. Next, I am going to solve my questions. Yes, then the next question I wrote on the board, my students. Then it is also similar type of question. So what is that? Find the equation of line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinants. So only the difference from the last question and this is only they changed the points. Clear? So here 3, 1 and 9, 3. So to find this, my students, and this question was, I think this question was asked in June 2014. So very important. June 2014. This question was asked. Such type of questions will be asked in your annual examinations. So very important. So again here it is what I do, the same procedure. What is that? Find the equation of the line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinants. So let us I'll take here it is A of x1, y1. What is that? First point 3, 1. And another point is I am naming it as x2, y2 is 9, 3. P of x2, y2 is equal to 9, 3. And now again P of x, y be any point on AB. So on the AB I am taking P of x, y as one general point I am taking. And we know that this implies what it implies, my dear students. Since these 3 points lies on the same line, it means we can say this APB are collinear. So if APB are collinear means I can write here this area of triangle. Determinant area of triangle is equals to half into this x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equals to 0. This is the known. It is known to us because We know that since if 3 points are collinear means they lies on the same line. If 3 points lies on the same line, there is no question of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, and that is we can write in terms of the methods, we can write it as half in the area of the triangle is equals to 0, like this we can write. And area of the triangle means the formula we know that. What is that? Half into this x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this determinant is equals to 0. This I am writing because APB are collinear. APB are collinear means what it indicates? It indicates that 3 points lies on the same line. If 3 points lies on the same line, then we cannot find out the area of the triangle. So in this case, area of the triangle is equals to 0. So therefore, I am writing here it is area of the triangle is equals to 0. And if if this determinant value is equals to 0 means this implies that x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equals to 0. Now substitute these values. This is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Substitute in this case. So that will gives it to you. Here it is determinant of x1. First I write x1. So what is x1? 3. And what is x2? 9. And this is x3. That is x. And y1. What is y1, my dear students? 1. And what is y2 here? 3. And this is y3 is y. And remaining 1, 1, 1. And this is equals to 0. Clear? 3, 9, x, 1, here it is 1, 3, y. 1, 3, y. Again, now solve this by usual determinant method. So in this case, I'll change the sign, plus, minus, plus. So I am solving, expanding, you can write like this, expanding along row 1. So if I expand along row 1 means plus 3 into, so this is equals to plus 3 into, leave this row and this column. So 3 into 1 is 3, minus y into 1 is minus 1. Next, minus 1 into, leave this row and this column. So 9 into 1 is 9, minus x into 1 is minus x. Clear? And next, plus 1, plus 1 into, so leave this row and this column. So 9 into y is 9y, minus 3 into x is 3x, is equals to 0. And now further simplify this. 3 3s are 9 and 3 into minus y is minus 3y, minus 9 into 1 into 9 is minus 9, minus minus plus 1 into x is x, plus 1 into 9y is 9y, plus minus minus 1 into 3x is 3x, and plus minus minus is equals to 0. Now simplify this further, my dear students. So it is first find out the x term. So here it is x plus x and minus 3x. It is minus 2x, minus 3y plus 9y plus 6y plus 9 minus 9 got cancels equals to 0. Now here also 2 is there and here it is 6 is there. I can take the 2 common. If I take the 2 common, what is remaining? Minus x plus 2 3s are. So here it is equals to 0. And these 2, if I shift that sign means 0 by 2. 2 if I shift the RHS sign means that will goes to the denominator. So 0 by 2 is equals to 0. So what is remaining? Minus x plus 3y equals to 0. Or you can write this 3y equals to minus x. If I shift that sign means that will become plus x. So therefore x is equals to 3y, or you can write like this. So this is your required equation of length. So if you want, you can verify. How to verify relations? The given points substitute in this equation. So if the equation is balancing, I mean if LHS is equal to RHS, then the whatever we calculated, that is the correct answer for the given question. Like this you should calculate. So this type of questions are very very important in your annual examinations as well as in your CET examinations. They will ask. So please try to work out such type of questions. And this completes the concept of the area of the triangle by using determinants. Clear? So we will continue in the next video. Thank you.